made it to the off-road trail. Look at that Tacoma. We made it all the way to, where were we at again? Carson City?
Yeah, Carson City.
Sheesh! Bros in shorts, bro. What are you doing? Bro, it is pouring down snow. Jacob told me it's not gonna rain. I mean, he was right. It's not raining, but it's snowing.
He did say it was gonna snow as a joke, and then
Now look at it. Then we got a winter storm effect warning on my phone.
I saw that.
And now we're here. So in case you guys were wondering, camping at Johnson Lane, Nevada, in the desert, where it's not gonna be desert. It's gonna be probably raining and probably stupid cold. And I don't know if you guys can hear me. I got that, I don't know. My allergies are so bad right now. I got like pressure in my face and everything sounds so quiet. So if I'm screaming at you, deal with it. Oh yeah, but I forgot to say, welcome back to another Ghost Flash video. So we're on the side of the road because my wheel pretty much fell off. Oh my,
You said it's wobbling.
I was like, my wheel's wobbling. Every single lug nut is loose. Got metal shavings off my thing. Actually, rubber, I got mine yet. And we're trying to figure out because we don't have tools. That's how loose it was, bro. Someone got John, shake that. Huh? Bro. Bro. That is insane.
That's what you said. I was like, it can't be that bad.
It can't be that bad. Bro, tell me why we made it out to the desert and there's a Miata out here.
Bro, I could save myself some money. Just pull that real quick.
Bro, you still need it?
About to.
You still need it?
No, but I'm probably sick of that.
Bro, it's an e-brake. Bro, it's an AC pack and it's AC pump. You need to put AC in your Miata? Hey, bro, it's got a straight-ish frame rails. It's got a steering rack still. Bro, it's got front suspension on this side.
I'm thinking about 4.
Oh, it's got suspension on this side too.
We can bring a Miata out here.
Yeah, and then just shoot it up like this, bro. All those bullet holes, I guarantee that fuel pump got a bullet in it. Look at the fuel tank. There's bullets in the fuel tank. So we made it to the campsite. We're all posted up. I got the awning posted. It's snowing, by the way. I got the awning posted up, and I got half my wall set up. We're about to go out on the freaking pit bikes. Bro, look how much snow this is. Like, this is insanity. I am so glad I have this like wall coverage because this is so bad. Pop Mark freaking over there taking the ice or the snow off his. Where you? He already dipped out you, bro. What are you doing, bro?
It just works.
Bro,
You have an extra SD card?
I don't.
You have an extra?
That's what happens when you decide to act like an Indian, ladies and gentlemen. You almost bust your ass.
Yeah.
See what happens? See what happens? I almost get taken out because you act like a dumbass. If you don't do that, you'll be just fine in this world, alright?
Yeah.
Every time I would do this, I've been trying to tell you that you fucking back tire, but you wouldn't want to listen.
I know, it's red flag.